welcome to all. Respect the principal, teacher, and my dear friend. I am Deshna Dipanshi in class 1B, a tiny toy of DAV Public School and Teresa Dipsika Kanya. Your graceful presence is encourages and will be a source of inspiration. I feel very proud to stand before you to speak on the topic Protect Nature, Protect Mother Earth. Once upon a time, Mother Earth was very happy. Her river was shining, her forests were green, her air was clean, her animals were safe. She smiled every day because her children, we humans, loved her. But now, Mother Earth is sad. People cut down her trees. They throw waste into her river. They fill her sky with smoke. And now she is sick and crying for help. And say, help, help, help. Friend, if our mother is sick, can we children be healthy? No. If nature die, we cannot survive. But we can save her. We can make her happy again by small steps. Plant tree. Every tree is gift to art. Save water. Every drop is precious. Say no to plastic. It is poison for nature. Save electricity because energy saved is art saved. And friend, do you know nature is not just tree, river, and mountain. Nature is our life. It gives us food, water, air, medicine, and beauty. It is our real wealth. So please remember, if we save nature today, nature will save us tomorrow. So let us all take a small promise today. We will protect our trees. We will keep our river clean. We will respect our animals, and we will make our Mother Earth smile again. And before I end, let us together. No nature, no future, same nature, same Mother Earth. Thank you, Jai Hind and Jai Mother Earth.